All right, we're gonna take a look at the light. We're gonna walk towards the light. If you guys can see, walking in the light. I'm in front of it, and we're gonna turn it on. On button. There's the on button. Look how bright it is now. I'm gonna leave it on. Super bright now. It's intense lighting. You guys can see it. So I am gonna put auto. Mode 1, let's try the different modes. Mode 1, Mode 2, Mode 3. So Mode 1 goes into 1, Mode 2, Mode 3. And I'm putting a description what they mean, all right? Today we're going to bring in some floodlights. Now these are solar floodlights. If you guys can see, they got various lights all around it. And not only that, it has motion detection light on it, of course. We're going to take a look at it and see what you get when you get something like this. But first, just to let you guys know, the vendor was kind enough to send this out for us to review. So let's take a look at it. All right, first of all, they give you the whole setup. And if you guys can see, these are actually flexible. They can move any direction, up and down. And this last one, the last one actually could go into different directions, all right? Now, the solar panel is very easy to move up and down too. And also the motion detection is right in the center, right? And it has around 300 LED lights all around it. Now, the only ones in the front, right, these two could only go up and down. These could go side to side, and they could also do up and down too. So these are pretty flexible if you want to get certain areas on your actual backyard. We're going to set it up and put it in our backyard. Now, if you guys notice the buttons, this is IP65 waterproof, so it's going to be water resistant for out there. If you're out there in the snow, weather, any kind of sun or anything, it won't damage the system. Now, just make sure you have enough sun throughout the day, capturing the sun so it could charge throughout the night. Now, if you're going to use it throughout the night, you could have your control. You could turn it off and on, or you could leave the actual sensor to automatically detect. Now, there's a couple modes that you know. There's 1, 2, and 3 modes that you have, of course, and then the SOS is just a flashing light, and you could turn it off. Now, my suggestion is it says you can leave it auto from dusk to dawn. It automatically turn on, and the only thing you have to really set up is this base in the back here, and this is where you're gonna actually lock in the actual unit itself. It locks in. There's a little cradle, and it's just pretty much easy to remove. So this is the main important part that you gotta drill in. So put this together, and not only that, they give you the actual screws for it too, so you can't mess this up. They give you a drywall mount, and we're gonna put it on our wood structure here. So we're gonna place it here. You can mark it yourself, but I'm gonna eye it out because I'm just gonna drill the center, and then I can readjust it how you want. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do that, and we can adjust it how we want. Not tight enough. Not tight enough. Then we go, after we adjust it, there we go. That thing's not gonna go anywhere. We set up the 2 parts. I'm eyeing it out to see it's actually even. Even if it's not even, you go adjust the lights how you want them. So go ahead and do that one too. All right, we're gonna set it up, but prior to setting it up, make sure you turn it on too. So keep it on, and then all we gotta do is slide it in there. Slide it in there. There we go, and that's locked in there. It doesn't have to lock completely because you could remove them, but then you could adjust them how you want your lights to be. So we want to make sure we light up a good area and any kind of movement. So if I come at night over here, you'll be able to see me. So let's go ahead and let's take a look at it at night, how it looks like. All right, we're gonna test out the motion detection that we set up. So we're gonna walk in front of it, and there it goes. Awesome device, easy to set up. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.